Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding a valid mobile number to your Roblox account. Go to Settings, then Account or Security, and enter your phone. Once done, Roblox sends a numeric SMS code. Type that code into the verification box. Make sure the number belongs to you and receives texts reliably, because this links the phone to your account for voice chat eligibility. If you're prompted for age confirmation, follow the platform flow before submitting the phone. Once you enter the SMS code, Roblox confirms the phone and progresses the verification status. You may see a secondary step such as two-step verification or age verification. Complete those prompts because voice chat requires verified identity and microphone access. After confirmation, open device privacy settings and permit Roblox to use the microphone. Without that permission, voice chat stays blocked. Also check your in-game settings under Privacy to enable voice chat features for friends or everyone as required. Finally, verify the feature works by joining a controlled game and testing voice chat with a trusted friend. If you don't receive the SMS, retry using the voice call option, check carrier blocks or short codes, or try another mobile number you control. Wait a few minutes between attempts to avoid code lockouts. If problems persist, gather screenshots and contact Roblox support through the official help center so they can review account flags or verification errors and complete your request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.